बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ګرانو کتونکو په دې ویډیو کې به زه ستاسو سره اتیا جملې شیر کوم. نو که ویډیو مو خوښ شو نو لایک کړئ او چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ او د خپلو ملګرو سره شیر کړئ. نو اوس راځئ چې د لیسن شروع کړو. He told lie. هغه دروغ وویل. He told lie. Think about yourself. په خپله اړه سوچ وکړه. Think about yourself. Think about me. زما په اړه سوچ وکړه. په اړه یعنی په باره کې، یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ زما په باره کې سوچ وکړه. Think about me. Don't spit here. دلته مه توکه. Don't spit here. He was following me. هغه زما جاسوسي کوله. He was following me. How it will be. دا به څنګه وي. How it will be. Did you feel hungry. آیا ته وږی شوی وې. Did you feel hungry. Don't curse me. ما ته هیرې مه کوه. Don't curse me. Stop staring at me. ما ته نیغ نیغ کتل بند کړه. Stop staring at me. Love yourself. د ځان سره مینه وکړه. Love yourself. Don't go outside. بهر مه وځه. Don't go outside. You are made for me. ته ما دپاره جوړه شوې. You are made for me. Where I have to go. ما لره چرته تلل دي. Where I have to go. Keep distance. فاصله ساته. Keep distance. Tell me the truth. رښتیا راته ووایه. Tell me the truth. I am helpless. زه بېوسه یم. I am helpless. Don't shy. شرمېږه مه. Don't shy. I am waiting for you. زه ستا انتظار کوم. I am waiting for you. How is she. هغه څنګه ده. How is she. How is he. هغه څنګه دی. How is he. How was your sleep. خوب دې څنګه و. How was your sleep. I live there. زه دغلته اوسېږم. I live there. Do some work. څه کار وکړه. Do some work. Don't shout. چغې مه وهه. Don't shout. Control your dog. سپی دې قابو کړه. Control your dog. Keep trying. کوشش جاري ساته. Keep trying. What goes to try. په کوشش کولو کې څه ځي. What goes to try. When did I say. ما کله ویلي. When did I say. Drive slowly. ګاډی ورو چلوه. Drive slowly. Wait a moment. یو شیبه انتظار وکړه. Wait a moment. شیبه یعنی لمحه، یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ یو لمحه انتظار وکړه. Perhaps he is coming. کیدای شي هغه راځي. Perhaps he is coming. Take the medicine. دوايي واخله. Take the medicine. Pack the luggage. سامان ونغاړه. Pack the luggage. It happened by chance. دا هسې په توکه وشول. It happened by chance. Please give me blanket. مال در سره کمبل راکړئ. Please give me blanket. Take something. سواخلا. Take something. Let's go to the shop. زی چې دکان ته ځو. Let's go to the shop. Be happy. خوشاله اوسه. Be happy. The same as usual. بس هغسې د تل د پاره. تل یعنی همیش. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ بس هغسې د همیش د پاره. The same as usual. Look at me. ما ته وګوره. Look at me. Nothing more. سوا هیڅ نه. Nothing more. About whom. د چا په اړه. About whom. You can go to home. ته کور ته تللی شي. You can go to home. It's time to sleep. د اوده کېدو وخت دی. It's time to sleep. Don't be crazy. لیونی مه جوړیږه. Don't be crazy. I am kidding. زه ګپ لګوم. I am kidding. I didn't sleep well. سم خوب مې ونه کړو. I didn't sleep well. There is no such a word. داسې هیڅ الفاظ نشته. There is no such a word. Look at yourself. پخپله یې وګوره. Look at yourself. It's your imagination. دا ستا تصور دی. It's your imagination. Learn it in mind. په زړه کې یې یاد کړه. Learn it in mind. Don't speak like this. داسې خبرې مه کوه. Don't speak like this. I am going alone. زه یوازې ځم. I am going alone. I am feeling dizzy. په ما چکر دی. I am feeling dizzy. Come to the point. د کار خبرې لراشه. Come to the point. Wish me luck. بریا مو غواړم. Wish me luck. Look at this. دې ته وګوره. Look at this. Look at the board. تختې ته وګوره. Look at the board. You are a liar. ته دروغجن یې. You are a liar. Don't mess with me. ما سره پنجه مه وهه. Don't mess with me. Follow the rule. د قاعدې پابندي وکړه. Follow the rule. What's the rush? دومره تادي ولې ده. What's the rush? Don't be delay. ناوخته کوه ما. Don't be delay. Where are you going? ته چېرته روان یې. Where are you going? With whom are you? ته د چا سره یې. With whom are you? Who do you live with? ته د چا سره اوسیږي. Who do you live with? Go up. بره وخیجه. Go up. Got it. پوه شوې. Got it. What happened? څه چل وشو. What happened? I knew it. ما ته پته وه. I knew it. I live with my family. زه د خپل خاندان سره اوسیږم. I live with my family. Turn back. شاته تاو شه. Turn back. Don't hide it from me. زمانه یې پټوه ما. Don't hide it from me. Don't hide it. دا پټوه ما. Don't hide it. Don't fight. جګړه مه کوه. Don't fight. Don't allow him. هغه له اجازت مه ورکوه. Don't allow him. Don't allow her. هغې له اجازت مه ورکوه. Don't allow her. I have reached there. زه هلته رسېدلی یم. I have reached there. Don't whisper too much. ډېرې پټې خبرې مه کوه. Don't whisper too much. Calm down. سړه خوره. Calm down. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.